Now, a really exciting topic, Fabric real-time intelligence. Override late arrival tolerance in Activator. Late arrival tolerance is the time Activator waits for an event to be acknowledged and processed. This setting allows late or out-of-order events to be included in rule evaluations. The trade-off is between waiting longer for more accurate data or activating the rule sooner with potentially incomplete data. Create new Activator items. If your tenant is using the preview version of Data Activator without Fabric enabled, creating new Activator items will no longer be possible. To continue using Activator and create new items, enable Fabric for your tenant. RTI, ALM, and APIs GA. Application Lifecycle Management, or ALM, and Fabric REST APIs are now accessible for all RTI items, including Event Stream, Event House, KQL Database, Real-Time Dashboard, Query Set, and Data Activator. ALM incorporates both deployment pipelines and Git integration, facilitating the management of changes within your workspace. This feature supports various scenarios, ranging from simply recording changes in Git to maintaining an audit trail to deploying your development workspace along with all its dependencies to staging and production workspaces, and introducing changes through a feature branch connected to a feature workspace.